Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Directv account. So here's how you can do it. Simply follow the steps till the end. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in directv.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will then end up in the official website for Directv, which looks like this. Go ahead and mouse over to the sign in option at the top right and click on Account Overview. You will then be redirected to the login screen. To create a new account, you will need to click on Don't have a user ID, create one now link. Select the service you are interested in and then enter the rest of the information asked. Enter your zip code, enter any one of the following two fields. You can choose to enter the last 4 digits of your credit card or your phone number on your account. After you are done with it, click the next button. On the next page, you will need to choose your package, start your free trial, provide some of your information such as your username and password in order to create a new account. After completing through the enrollment, you will then be able to stream Directv on your phone or computer. So that is how you can easily sign up for Directv within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.